Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life.
Hey there guys, Daniel from Vanessa's Piglet. So today I will be showing you how to make a really nice textured slime. I don't know exactly what to call it, but the ingredients you will need is white Elmer's school glue, foaming hand wash, it could be any brand, saline solution, food coloring. I am using metallic paint because I don't have metallic food coloring. Baking soda, it could be any brand. Shaving cream, it could also be any brand. I just got this one from Dollar Tree. Last but not least, measuring cups. Actually, last but not least is Leeds Mill cornstarch. It doesn't have to be Leeds Mill, it could be any brand. So now you're going to add 1/4 cup of white Elmer's school glue. And I tried to scrape all of the glue out of the cup so I could get the most out of it. After you are done that, you want to add 2 tablespoons of the foaming hand soap, but you don't want to pump the foaming hand soap out of the container it's in. You actually want to take the pump off and then pour the foaming hand soap into the mixture so it's more glossy. After that, you want to add 2 tablespoons of the shaving cream, and the reason why I put 2 is just to make the mixture more thicker and fluffier. I tried to scrape most of the shaving cream out of the measuring cup so I could get most of it. And after you're done getting all of that out, you just want to mix up your mixture. Now you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of your cornstarch. And the reason why we are doing this, just to make the mixture a little more thicker. Now I'm going to be adding my metallic silver paint. And at first when I poured it in, I did not add enough. So I decided to add a little bit more, and after I fully mixed that, I really liked the color, so I kept it that way.